Hi guys, let's look at how you can create a simple project on password generator. This system will enable you to auto-generate passwords when need be. So, like for example, we have the password that will be generated, then you have the date of generation. So, if for example I hit on this one, you realize that the system has produced a password. So this is the password, and if I go to new here, then produce, you'll notice that the system has produced a different password. So I can also go to new and also produce another password, also hit on new again and also produce another password. So guys, after having done that, I can cross these ones and go to tables, and you'll be in a position to see generated passwords. So guys, you realize that the system is automatically generating the password. So I'll be taking you through how to do such. So basically what you're supposed to do, you create a new database. So you just go to new, then database, then here you can just call it automatic automatic password generator, or generator. So after that I launch my system. Then we start by creating a table. So I go to table design, then here we can have the serial number, then this one is auto number and primary key. Then we shall have the password here. The password is text. Then we shall have the date of generation. So date of generation, we shall have date and time here. We can have date and time, and then we shall have default value here. We shall have date. That is today's date. Today's date should be the default value there. That is for the default value. So here you can just type equals to date. That means that the system will automatically save today's date as default. So I save this one. You can just call it passwords, like that. So this is what we have. So if I open this one, you'll notice that automatically the system has taken today's date. So guys, after doing that, you go to the next step. The next step is to create a form. So I just go to this point. I want to use a model form. Then I remove this one, so I don't need this. Then guys, after having done that, you need to come up here. You take a label here. So this one will be shall have the password. Then you shall have another label down here. That is the date generated. Then you can have these ones with a bigger font, like that. So this is date generated. Here I press Ctrl Enter so that I can have that one. Then these ones I need to have it that way. Then guys, after doing that, I need to have a text box. So I go to design, then take the text box here, remove the text box label. I also have another one here, like that. This is for the date. Alternatively, instead of using the unbound, just go to design, go to property sheet here, then have the record source as passwords. Then guys, save that one. Then once you do that, you have to save this one as passwords. Then go to add existing list, add existing, then have these two, drag them here, remove the label here, so that you can have this one here. This is our text box. This is now bound because it's getting data from the table, so that is the date. Then here you can just give these ones, you can give these ones a good font like that. You can also have to change the color of this one to something like that. So this is our system. So after having done that one, just want to rearrange these ones. After having done that one, you can add a button. So I opt using a toggle button. This is the toggle button. So just draw the toggle button here and then type click to generate the passwords. Click to generate the passwords. So also this one you can also give it a good font. So this is what we have. Then you can also opt to change the buttons look. So I save this. The next thing, guys, is to code. We shall write a VBA code for that. Basically, the first code is that when the form loads, it should load on a new record. That is, means the password will be blank. And for that case, you just hit this point, then go to property sheet. The property sheet is found in the design. Then on form here, should lead form. On road, what happens? On road event, we shall have do cmd dot go to record, then you put 2 commas and then new. You choose this. That means that whenever the form loads, it will load on a new that is on a new record. Then the next thing, guys, is to click on this button, then go to properties down here, go to properties, or just hit properties here, then go to this point. This button is called it's called toggle 10. So on click, what happens? So you hit the 3 dots, then type the code here. So the code is dim. Here we are declaring the characters as string. Then we shall go dim length, that is the length of the password, as integer, that is numbers. Then dim password as string. Password will be string, that is text. Then I as integer. This one is a variable to increment. Then, guys, from here we shall define the characters. If I shall define the characters to use in the password. Remember, for you to have a strong password, it should be a mixture of characters. So here, I can just type this one. Can just have the characters declared up there equals to the characters you shall use. For example, capital letters A B C D, E F G H I J K L M N O P Q R S T U V W X Y Z. So we shall have that one. Also we shall have A B C D E F G H I J K L N O P Q R S T U V W X Y Z. So here I have repeated I. So we carry on. I also supposed to have other characters, like I can have 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Also, I can have some special characters, like somebody can use brackets, somebody can use underscore, somebody can use plus, funny characters. You can also have these ones as indicated. You can also have pipe as can have comma, full stops, all this. So guys, I have declared the characters that I use in my password. Then from there, after doing that, then we define, then the next thing we define the length of the password. So here I opt to have length declared up there. My length will be 10. Then from there, generate the password. So here I use a for loop. So for I equals to 1, want to length given there, to length there. So password will be equals to password. You concatenate with this function mid. You open the bracket, then the strings, characters, comma, then you have this function rad. This is the function. Then they are multiplied by len. This is the len function, characters, like that, plus 1. You put a comma, then close the bracket. Just a moment. This one should be comma 1, that way. Let me just see. We need to close the bracket here. Should be characters plus 1. Then you put that one, okay, that. Then from there, the next I, remember that one must be there, next I. Then you should have next I. Then from there, we display the password. Display the password in the text box. So here you will just talk of me dot, now the password name, the password text box dot value equals to password generated. So then end sub. So guys, here we have to change our text box name to from wherever to password. So guys, I save that, go to access, then go to my text box, go to properties, then all. Here we have to change the name. The name should be password dot that one to match the password. So guys, after doing this, you just come here and click to generate password. Guys, you can see I have my system has produced the first password. So from here I can save the password, can just save my password. Yeah. Then again, when I lock this one and go to the table, you realize that the computer has saved my first password in the text box. Again, if now I come here, you realize that my form will always run as blank. So I can also again produce the second password and also save it, then close my table and my form. So guys, you realize I am generating passwords using the system. So I can also come, it's blank, produce another password for me, then save it. Then also after doing that, then guys, you can see that. So guys, that's how you can come up with an automatic password generator using VBA and Microsoft Access. Guys, thank you very much for watching. Remember to subscribe, and also remember to share my videos with your friends. Thank you very much.